The Great Economic Depression began in USA. The secret police of Hitler were called as Gestapo. The Great Depression in USA began on October 24, 1929. The discovery of gold in Transvaal led to large number of Britishers settled in and around Johannesburg. Mussolini provided a stable government. Roosevelt adopted good neighbor policy in USA. A democratic constitution with the federal structure was established by a National Assembly. Weimar recognized the Vatican City as an independent state. Mussolini, Hitler's anti-Semitism grew to the extent of killing the Jews. The Boer Wars took place between the Boers and the British. In 1941, Hitler invaded Russia. Speak softly, but carry a big stick. The attitude of US President Theodore Roosevelt to countries. Latin America. Mussolini left the League of Nations in 1937. Fill in the blanks. The main cause of the depression was the collapse of Dash. Franklin D. Roosevelt was commonly known as Dash. The New Deal policy includes dash, dash, and dash. Mussolini was called by his followers as dash 1, 2, 3, 4. The followers of Mussolini were called 5 dash 6. Mussolini's secret police was known as dash 7 dash issued by Mussolini provided great relief to workers. 8. Benito Americal Andrea Mussolini was born on dash 9. Mussolini organized a group of young persons or gangs called dash 10. The founder of the Nazist party was dash 11. Hitler's secret police was dash 12. Hitler pulled Germany out of the League of Nations in dash 13. The Locarno Treaty was signed in dash. Answer 1. American share market. 2. FDR. D. Relief, recovery and reforms, food dues. 5. Black shirts. 6. OVRA. 7. The Charter of Labor. 8. 1883. 9. 5 Aces. 10. Hitler.
Question 2. Adolf Hitler. A. Where was Adolf Hitler born? Answer. Adolf Hitler was born in Austria. B. What was his father? Answer. His father was a customs officer. C. What did he organize? Answer. He organized a group of men called the National Socialists in 1919, which became the Nazist Party. D. Name the book written by Hitler. Answer. He wrote a book called Mein Kampf, My Struggle.
Question 3. Mayas and Aztecs. A. What did the three centers of civilization exist even before the discovery of America? Answer. The Maya, the Inca, and the Aztec were the three centers of civilization. B. Which was the center of Maya civilization? Answer. The League of Mayapan was the center of Maya civilization. D. Who conquered the Maya country? Answer. Aztecs from Mexico conquered the Maya country in the 14th century. D. What did Aztecs do? Answer.
For nearly 200 years, Aztecs ruled their empire and founded their capital city of Tenochtitlan.
6. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. What were the achievements of fascism under Mussolini? Answer. 1. Mussolini wanted to make Italy a powerful nation, so he adopted various methods. 2. He established peace and order. He provided a stable government. 3. He brought order and discipline in the industrial field. 4. For the welfare of the workers he issued the Charter of Labor. 5. By this charter industries were freed from the strike epidemic. He took several measures to increase production. 6. Marshes were drained and canals were dug. Reclamation projects were launched. 7. Hydroelectric schemes were undertaken. 8. Railways and other means of transportation were improved. 9. A fair degree of self-sufficiency was achieved. 10. In 1929, Mussolini signed the Lateran Treaty with Pope. The 60 years conflict between the papacy and the Italian government came to an end by this treaty. Question 2. Explain the anti-colonial movement that emerged in Indochina and the influence of Ho Chi Minh. Answer. 1. Indochina consists of today's Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. 2. From the beginning, French occupation and communist ideas from China were a major influence in Indochina. 3. Considerable wealth of Indochina was benefiting only these colonial powers. 4. In 1916, there was a major anti-colonial revolt but was crushed brutally. 5. Vietnam Nationalist Party was the main political party formed in 1927 in Indochina. 6. In 1925, Ho Chi Minh founded the Revolutionary Youth Movement. He led the Peasant Revolt in 1930 which was crushed. He left to Moscow thereafter. 7. And France was defeated by Germany in 1940, Ho Chi Minh.
The term fascism is derived from the Latin word fasces. Fasces being a bundle or jump group. What are the factors that led to the triumph of fascism in Germany? Germany raised to great heights in economic, political, and cultural accomplishments. Germany's universities, its science, philosophy, music were all known all over the world. Germany exceeded much more than Britain and the USA in the industrial production. Name the reasons for the rise of fascism. Italy faced with a great economic crisis. There was social unrest and economic distress. The prices of essential goods shot up. Cost of living was very high. There was great dismay and frustration among the people. On account of the revolutionary ideas of the socialist, unrest and spread in Italy. The situation demanded a bold leadership. These conditions favored the rise of fascism. Write a note on Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African revolutionary who fought against apartheid and joined the African National Congress (ANC). When the ANC was banned, he was arrested and was imprisoned for 27 years. In 1994, he became the first black president of South Africa. Write any two achievements of Mussolini. Mussolini established peace and order and he provided a stable government. Mussolini brought order and discipline in the industrial field. What do you understand by the term inflation? It refers to the general increase in the price level and a fall in the purchasing power of money. Write a short note on the early life of Mussolini. Mussolini was born on July 29, 1883 at Romagna in East Central Italy. His father was a blacksmith and his mother was an elementary school teacher. Mussolini graduated in 1902 and became a school teacher. He leaned Lenin ideology and became an editor of Italian socialist paper. Write about the end of Mussolini. The Allied forces heavily bombarded Sicily and landed in the island in 1943. Mussolini was shot dead by his own countrymen. Fascism died out along with the death of its founder Mussolini. How did Hitler become a Chancellor of Germany? Under the inspiring leadership of Hitler, the Nazi Party grew in power and number. In the election of 1932, the Nazi Party became the second largest group in the German parliament. In 1933, the Nazis became the largest party in the German parliament and Hitler became the Chancellor and Hindenburg as president. On the death of President Hindenburg, he made himself as president and chancellor. He abolished the Weimar Republic and himself became a dictator. Write about the Nazi politics toward Jews. The Jews were removed from government position, excluded from the universities and deprived of citizenship. Jewish business were closed down and their establishment were attacked. Jews were interned and used as forced labor. Later, they were turned into extermination camps where industrial means of murder such as gas chambers were used to kill them. It is estimated that about 6 million Jews in Europe were killed with the Nazi term as a final solution. Answer the following under each caption. Position of America at the end of one World War. What is the position of America at the end of the World War I? America was financially in a sound position. How did America help the European debtor countries as a moneylender to the world? America encouraged the flow of capital into Europe, which helped the European debtor countries. What happened to the US economy in the meantime? A sudden fall in the US economy forced here to impose restrictions on the export of capital. What was the impact of it all over the world? This resulted in a steep decline in the volume and value of exports all over the world. And his followers used this to the favor of Vietnamese. In 1941, he organized the League for the Independence of Vietnam, which was called as Viet Minh. Vietnamese nationalism thus renewed its importance with the help of Ho Chi Minh. State the contribution of Ho Chi Minh, the freedom of Vietnam. In February 1930, Ho Chi Minh brought together competing nationalist groups to establish the Vietnamese Communist Party. It was later renamed as the Indo-Chinese Communist Party. Ho Chi Minh was inspired by the militant demonstrations of the European Communist parties. In 1940, Japan occupied Vietnam as part of its imperial drive to control Southeast Asia. The nationalists now had a fight against the Japanese as well as the French. The League for the Independence of Vietnam, Vietnam Dog Lap Dong Mi, which became to be known as the Viet Minh, fought the Japanese occupation and recaptured Hanoi in September 1945. The Democratic Republic of Vietnam was formed and Ho Chi Minh was made the chairman. Write any three features of the civil disobedience movement of 1930. The civil disobedience movement was started under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1930. It was an important milestone in the history of Indian nationalism. The main ideology behind the civil disobedience movement was to defy the laws made by British. Three features of its movement were: peasants refused to pay revenue and chowkidari taxes. In many places, forest people violated forest laws, going to reserve forests to collect wood and graze cattle. Women participated in the movement on a large scale.